right, so we're here at Solitude Mountain in Big Cottonwood Canyon. And the question of the day comes from Andrew from CrossFit Westfield. And the question is, what is the most challenging part of your challenge? CrossFit, skiing, or yoga? And it's a really good question. And I've been thinking about it a lot. And they're all challenging. I don't think anyone is more challenging than the other, but definitely the common denominator is the mental piece of all of them. So in the morning on my way to CrossFit, I get butterflies, I get pretty nauseous, I get really nervous. I don't know if that's because I'm just at a new box. You know, I'm not in my home turf, but the butterflies are there. And then yesterday skiing, I had some major butterflies. I got caught up on a rock that I had to jump off of, and there was no way out, so I had the same butterflies. And then in yoga, it's so freaking hot that you just want to lay down and just stop, but you just have to keep going. So all three of them, they're all tough mentally in different ways. You gotta just plow through this stuff. But they're so different in their in the physical aspects that you can't really compare the physical, what's tougher physically. It's just, they're all tough mentally. So that's my answer. And I think everyone who's doing this challenge is dealing with the same thing every day. Like maybe you just don't want to do 100 double unders today. And maybe you don't want to do 50 more push-ups after you already finished your WOD. But we're all doing it. And it's going to pay off in the end for everybody, especially the Cerami family. And that's where we are today.